Hi everyone, my name is Jason Ganapragasam. I'm studying at OUM Shalam. The title given to me is Miracle Workers. The movie of Miracle Workers have two persons with is Annie Svelian as a teacher and Helen Keller who is blind and deaf on how to communicate with others. That means Helen is blind and she unable to communicate with others, especially the parents, brothers and family members. Helen, who is blind and deaf and dumb since her birth, where she is unable to have a good communicate with her parents, where she is coming violent and most of the time with family members. As a parents, they seek help from Pancreas Institute, where the institute sent Annie Civilian as a teacher to guide Helen. Teacher Annie also have problem where she is a half-blind Yankee schoolgirl. Teacher Annie boosting Helen to interact via sign language with patient love to break Helen's stubbornness. That means Helen is very stubborn girl and she don't want to listen to others. She will do whatever she thinks she want to do with violence, and then the parents will give something to eat. That means gift. They must give gift to her to stop her violence. They have 5 main characters. That is teacher Civilian as a teacher, Kathy Keller as a mother, who is where she convinced her husband to let Annie to teach Helen. This is Captain Arthur Keller, father, Helen's father, who is immediately researched Annie's teaching method. That means she didn't agree with teacher Annie's method. Whatever the teacher Annie teach to her daughter, he didn't agree. This is James Keller is the brother. The brother is he's the son of previous marriage of Captain Arthur Keller. Objective of these miracle worker are to prepare students of special need children in terms of each type of teaching approach. Then the second, to explore the latest trend in special needs education in Malaysia. That means the objective of this miracle movie is to prepare the students who are special needs in the term of its types. They got so many types of the uh, students in special needs. This is one of that Helen having. This is the definitions for special need children. Need service to the behaviors, communications, mental, cognitive, or physical characteristic or communications of those characters. That means Helen is a special needs children. She have behaviors problem, communications problem, mental problems, cognitive problems, and physical problems. And the teacher. Oh, the abilities of children's definitions are okay. The factors are teacher and Annie Sullivan's factors. She's a blind, eye infections, gently affected the visions. That means she's a blind and one side eye infections. She having a visions problem. Same also Helen, since she's a 19 months old baby, she have this problem, or she get this problem. She's blind, deaf, dumb. When she grow up, she having problem, that means unable to communicate with the family. Once she cannot communicate with the family, she show her violence, temper tantrums. The violence, that means she will throw the things. She don't want to listen to others. She don't want to listen to mother. The teacher also. The teacher tried so many times, but she don't want to listen. Helen become like this unknown illness. The parents also don't know. Maybe purpose rubella or secret fever. Maybe these causes of that she come blind, deaf and dumb. The teaching method using by teacher Annie, trickle learning strategy, and the deaf blind manual. That means teacher Annie implementations of trickle learning study, deaf, to spell the word. In the movie, the teacher Annie will try Helen to teach the cake. She will use alphabet by finger ends, then she will teach. Then for the real things, she use cake by giving her to eat, to taste. Then she can do again the spelling cake in teacher's Annie's hand. Okay. Deaf blind manual strategy and learning. Let Helen to touch the bump and touch her how to spell the word bump to her using the deaf blind manual alphabets that I missed just now. She using like this, like this, like this. she know what is the, by using the palm of the hands, she know how to spell. Teacher Annie do like this, like this, like this. Then she know. Take sometimes also she had to control the Annie's wildness, everything. But yeah, every student has different talents, capabilities, intelligence, creativeness, characteriness, and interest. Therefore, however, the teacher should recognize the diverse abilities of students in order to understand their needs. As the teacher teaching in as a teacher, Annie have patient. She, most of them, she have a patient, but once she have a angry also with the Helen, but the same way she have patience. And the last thing, Helen can spell water, water, water. Ooh, ooh. She say like this, then the lastly she can say the water. Thank you. This is my presentations of the miracle workers. Thank you once again.